intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, hello, my name is Natalie and welcome to my Glam fam. So today's video I'm going to be battling two Boxycharm base boxes for the month of October. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in both these boxes, if one is dramatically better than the other, if they both suck, if I get all duplicates, if you would like to figure out the mystery just like I do, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And it's really letting YouTube's algorithm know what's up, because they don't know what's going on. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Alright, so you guys know Boxycharm is $25 a month, the base box, so let's get into it. Ooh, I like the name at least. The first product is this Pretty Little Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face Palette. Okay, so offers a selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and creamy glowing highlighters. Oh, okay. I was expecting it to be an eyeshadow palette. So we have Glimmer of BS, which would be, it's probably the only one that would be able to be a highlighter for me. So this retails for $32. So I could use both of these for bronzers. Definitely use that for a blush. I might be able to use that for like a shimmer bronzer too. Let's just try real quick, okay? I'm gonna mix that with this lighter bronzer. Compare it to this side. I definitely see the bronze. Okay, and it's not like too crazy. Okay, ooh, I really like that. Alright, next we have this, my box is all bent, but anyways, Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer with Acai Berry and Barajo. A lightweight moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish and increased clarity. Okay, I've never heard of a matte moisturizer. A mattifying, non-greasy, hydrating moisturizer that leaves combination skin looking balanced, clear, and beautifully radiant. Well, I don't have combination skin, but I'm really intrigued. I don't know how I feel about this packaging. This is what the conditioner looks like in boxed hair dye. But this retails for $69, so I'm intrigued by that price. Oh, I'll decide if I want to try this or not. Alright, the next product I did choose. I remember choosing it because I was like, yep, I know what I'm picking. It is this Farsali Prive Quench, a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Farsali Prive Quench, a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Enriched with hydrating provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears improved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. Okay, I love Farsali products. I don't think I've tried one that I didn't like. This is 1 fluid ounce, and this retails for $24. Oh wow, I'm really surprised that it's only $24 because their products are usually on the pricey side. Like their primers are $54. Their like setting spray was $50. So it comes with a little dropper. Ooh, it does feel very hydrating. I'm excited to try that. Alright, next is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Copper Cube Lip Butter. So, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of Cupico butter, acai, and coconut oils. Okay, so this one is in Soulmate, but it's SOL. That's cute. Okay, that's a little dark than what I would typically wear, but this retails, they say it retails for $20. And the last product is this Hip Dot Color Changing Sponge Duo. What? Enjoy an amazing color changing sponge. Watch it expand to twice its size when it's wet. It creates buildable makeup application with minimum product waste. So this retails for $18. It's very soft. It's not too firm like some of the cheaper ones can be. Okay, hold on. I have to see this whole color changing thing. That's the same color, right? Yep, that's the same color. Okay. Alright, if anyone's curious, this box variation is number 42. Oh, let me get my phone so I can calculate the total price. Okay, so the total retail value was $163. Okay, that's not bad. I'm really excited about the Farsali serum. I actually do think I'm going to try this moisturizer and also this palette. So yeah, overall it's a good box. And the sponges, even though they don't change color. Alright, let's move on to the next box. Alright, first is this Ciate London, the Editor Palette. So I already have received this in a Boxycharm, but it is a very pretty palette. So I will be putting this in a giveaway. Alright, retails for $32, if I didn't say that. Next is this Luxie Wonderlust set. Create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold, oh, I'm sold with rose gold, synthetic brush set. This versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, where am I? Medium angled brush. This is the tapered shading brush. I missed that. Okay. Plus a am I missing? No. Plus a brow and lash brush. It's just a spoolie. Okay. Oh, that's awesome. So this retails for $40. Next is, this was also something I chose, and it is this Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Concealer. So mine is in light number 7. It says this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. And it retails for $24. I can tell that it's definitely full coverage. It's a good color, very creamy, but it doesn't feel like it will be too drying. I'm really excited to try that concealer. Alright, the next product is, we have another Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter, but this one is in a different color. This is in Teeny Bikini. So here's what the component looks like, and then, oh yeah, that's definitely more up my alley. So I will put the other one in a giveaway. Doesn't feel like the most moisturizing, but we'll have to see how it feels on the lips. And the last product is, these Lava Lashes in Charm Faux Mink. Ooh, these look gorgeous. They retail for $19.99. Oh, that's not bad for lashes at all. Okay, so this box variation was $22, and let me calculate the total retail price. Okay, so this box retails for $135.99. I'm actually a little bit happier with this box though. I'll definitely use these brushes. I'm really excited to try this concealer. I like the color of the lip butter better, and I am so excited to try these lashes. So the only repeat I got was the lip butter. Well, I mean, this is technically a repeat because I got it in the past, but just talking about this month, the only duplicate was the lip butter. So yeah, I am really, really happy with both boxes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.